So my life was really different. It wasn't how I look right now. Things were really different. I wasn't a very confident person. But the struggle to understand the whole concept of losing weight was very scary for me, because I wasn't motivated enough to go and start my workouts, start my diet, follow a sincere life routine. It's really monotonous when your trainer goes and tells you that go run on the treadmill for 30 minutes, go do cycling or cross trainer for like 15 minutes. Where is the motivation you're supposed to draw? From the music? That's really not enough for a person to keep yourself motivated and work out. So when I entered ABC Fit, there was absolutely no concept of machine, which is really interesting, because Prakash really tries and trains you in such a way that you're using your entire body to do the workout. When I first started working out here, the initial days of course wasn't easy again. I had my own difficulties because since you're not using the direct machine, your own body ability, flexibility, balancing, everything comes in the concept. I really faced a lot of challenges, because I remember the first day I came in and he asked me to do 10 squats, and I'm like, what? How do I do that? Because I couldn't really go down. I really didn't know. I mean, I was in that bad state. To be very honest, I have a severe knee problem. I've been asked to not squat, but the kind of confidence and the kind of learning Prakash has given me. So we actually started with squatting on this bench, this very bench. I used to just sit and get up constantly. So I actually thought to myself, how is this even going to make a difference in squatting? Like, is this even squatting? Because I'm just sitting and getting up. And believe me or not, after 45 days of constant sitting and getting up, I could do half level of squats without using any bench. Most of the things that I couldn't do, I started to believe in myself and do. For example, burpees, mountain climbers. I remember my mountain climber shoulders used to be like this and I used to be running behind. And the last mountain climber I hit was for 4 minutes in 4 sets. I mean, I really couldn't believe myself. I was actually crying going back home that, wow, I did that. I was telling my mom and my brother also that there were days that I couldn't do like 20 seconds of mountain climbers and I'm doing 60 seconds, 4 sets. I mean, there are many examples like that. I can probably go on and on. So I have about finished 5 months at ABC Fit, and I began at the weight of 78, close to 80 in fact. I've lost about 13 to 14 kgs at the moment, and more than the weight loss, which some people can achieve, I have seen a lot of inch loss in me, which causes the major difference. So I've lost about 4 inches. I was wearing a pant of waist 34 and I fit into 30. So when you see your old pant going like this and the stomach isn't there anymore, it's the best feeling. I mean, it's very difficult to describe because it's very emotional, it's very personal. So after joining ABC Fit, it's a very constant thing in my mind that it's not just like a 5 months or 10 months journey. It's a lifestyle that I need to adapt to. They don't ask me to starve at all, which is fabulous. In a lot of gyms, they literally ask me to starve, don't eat meals, skip meals. And those are certain things which makes your life conditions very difficult. So an overall understanding about your lifestyle is something that you're learning and you're gathering from ABC Fit.